Hello, I'm Professor Stifler. I will guide you through the world of cells. In order for a cell to reproduce, it has to go through a process called the cell cycle, which consists of interphase, mitosis, and cytokinesis. However, this is way beyond your reasoning, thus I'll only break down mitosis for you. Mitosis is a very important component in the composition of an organism. There are four fundamental steps in mitosis: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. This is a type of reproductive system that serves us to replace old cells and repair damaged tissue.
For example, I will demonstrate this phenomenon by inflicting pain on myself. Precisely what I wanted. If it weren't for mitosis, the skin cells that I just damaged and lost wouldn't be able to be replaced by new ones. Let's initiate with the explanation, shall we? As you can see here, we have the basic structure of a cell. Let's start explaining prophase. After the cell has duplicated all of its genetic material during interphase, the cell enters prophase, the first phase of mitosis. This is when the chromosomes composed of DNA and protein start to condense and become visible. The replicated chromosomes are called sister chromatids. They are genetically identical and are attached together by a centromere. Also, during prophase, centrioles start to move to opposite ends of the cell. This is a structure that is composed of spindle fibers, which will be responsible for separating the sister chromatids later. Finally, the nuclear membrane starts to disintegrate. Then we transition to metaphase. This is when the chromosomes migrate to the equator of the cell and align themselves on the metaphase plate. Spindle fibers coming from opposite poles of the cells elongate towards the middle and attach to the centromeres of the aligned chromosomes. This leads to anaphase. During anaphase, the spindle fibers separate from the sister chromatids by pulling them to opposite ends of the cell. This is crucial because if you remember, I said before that the sister chromatids are identical, so by pulling them to the opposite poles ensures that each replicated cell has the same exact genetic material. Before you click out of the video, we need to establish telophase. Remember I mentioned that the nuclear membrane disintegrates in prophase? Well, in telophase, a nuclear membrane forms around each set of chromosomes at opposite poles. The chromosomes begin to uncoil. This leads to cytokinesis, which is the division of cytoplasm and the creation of two identical daughter cells. Yay!